And now, our weekly message from the Nebraska College of Technical Agriculture in Curtis.
This is Owen Harb from Grand Island, excited to be in my second year at NCTA and studying Agronomy and Agribusiness. I can't believe everything I have learned and experienced in just over a year of college. Just last week, the college supported a team of students to attend the National FFA in Indianapolis. 6 of us were honored to receive our American degree, and it was a memory not to forget. Our main mission, however, was to represent NCTA in the recruiting booth at the expo. This was an awesome experience meeting students and advisors from every state. I have so many opportunities to gain valuable leadership and industry connections here. I am the president of our Student Senate, a resident assistant, student ambassador, and member of the Farm Bureau and 4-H FFA clubs. Studying agronomy and as a member of the Crops Judging team with Dr. Ramsdale has built my confidence tremendously. Our crops team placed first in the nation for 2-year colleges last year, and we are excited to compete in San Antonio this month. All of our other academic programs, including vet tech, animal and equine science, ag education, irrigation tech, welding, and more, provide students with the same level of hands-on experience that I have enjoyed. And seniors, we do have open enrollment and scholarships that are available. NCTA is super affordable, and there are many ways to earn extra money while getting a valuable experience. For more information or to schedule a campus tour, visit our website at ncta.unl.edu. NCTA is right here in the small town Curtis, Nebraska. Again, this is Owen Harb, loving my choice to be an Aggie at NCTA, a small campus with a big impact.